Next, question number 4 in exercise 5.1. In last video, already we solved 1, 2, 3 questions. Now, question number 4. Exercise 5.1, question number 4. Prove that the function f of x is equals to x to the power of n is continuous at x is equals to n. N is a positive integer. So here f of n you find it now. Here a is equals to n now. F of n is equals to n to the power of n. Next to limit x tends to n of f of x. This is limit x tends to n x to the power of n. This is equals to n to the power of n. Therefore, limit x tends to n of f of x is equals to n to the power of n is equals to what? F of n. By the definition of the continuity of the function, so f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous at x is equals to n. So already we solved 1, 2, 3 questions. So like that only easy one is one. And remember what is the formula for continuity? If limit x tends to a, f of x is equals to f of a, then f is continuous at x is equals to a. This is the continuation condition. So here n is equals to a is equals to n here. So similar. Next to question number 5. Question number 5. If the function f of x equals to x, if x is less than or equals to 1. 5. If x is greater than 1. Is continuous at x is equals to 0, at x is equals to 1, at x is equals to 2. So we need to check the continuity of the function at x is equals to 0, 1, 2. See now, first I am checking at x is equals to 0. At x is equals to 0, x is equals to 0 means x is less than 1. The function they defined as single function only. F of x is equals to x only. F of x is equals to what? X only. Now you find f of 0. F of 0 is equals to 0. Now limit x tends to 0, half f of x is equals to limit x tends to 0, half f of x is x. This is equals to 0. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, half f of x is equals to f of 0. 0 is equals to f of 0. Therefore, f is continuous. Continuous at x is equals to 0 is proved. Next, at x is equals to 1. At x is equals to 1. At x is equals to 1. So, x is less than or equal to 1, f of x is x. So, x is greater than 1, f of x is 5. So, we need to find this question left hand limit, right hand limit. Because it is defined left hand side, right hand side also. Left neighborhood of a, left neighborhood of 1, right neighborhood of 1. They defined. So that we need to find left hand side and right hand side. Why we are not finding here x at x is equals to 0? Because it is the function is not defined x is equal to 0, x is greater than 0, less than 0. So that we taken direct to limit. Understand the difference? So we need to find here f of x is equals to x. When next to f of 1 is equals to 1, because at 1 now f of x defined as x only. Now left hand limit now. Limit x tends to 1 minus half f of x is equals to limit x tends to 1 minus. 1 minus means x is less than 1. X less than 1, f of x is equals to what? X only. So you substitute x is equals to 1. Next to right hand limit. Right hand limit x tends to 1 plus of f of x. That is limit, this is equals to limit x tends to 1 plus means x is greater than 1. When x is greater than 1, f of x is equals to what? 5. So this is the constant term. You see, left hand limit LHL is not equals to RHL. Left hand limit 1, right hand limit left hand limit 1, right hand limit 5. So it is not a continuous function. First of all, limit only does not exist. So f is not a continuous or discontinuous, not continuous at x is equals to 1. Next, we need to check at x is equals to 2. At x is equals to 2. At x is equals to 2, f of x, how they define x is equals to means x is greater than 1. X is greater than 1, the function defined as single and the constant 5. So f of x is equals to 5. Constant function is always continuous. So f of 5 is equals to what? 5. X not there, so then directly we are writing same constant. Next, limit x tends to 2 of f of x, that is equals to limit x tends to 2, f of x is equals to what? 5. So this is equals to 5. This is limit x tends to 2, f of x is equals to 5. 5 is equals to what? F of 5. Therefore, f is continuous at x is equals to 2. Therefore, the function f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0 and 2, but not at 1. This is the solution for fifth question. Understood?